In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix can't select more than one object in AutoCAD. If you can only pick one item at a time and every new click drops the previous selection, this guide will get you back to selecting multiple objects smoothly. First, let's tackle the most common cause, a system variable called PICKADD. This controls whether AutoCAD adds to your selection set or replaces it each time you click. When it's off, you'll feel stuck selecting just one thing at a time. Click into the command line, type PICKADD and press enter. AutoCAD will prompt you for a value, type 1 and press enter again. With PICKADD set to 1, new selections are added to the current set by default. A quick way to verify this is to select one object, then click another. Both should stay highlighted. If they don't, repeat the command and confirm the value is 1. While you're at it, it's helpful to be aware of selection cycling. This feature doesn't directly control multi-select, but it helps when objects overlap. If you're clicking through stacked lines or blocks and think your selections aren't sticking, look at the status bar for the selection cycling toggle. Turning it on can make your selections more predictable in crowded drawings. Next, let's confirm your object selection preferences inside Options. Type Options on the command line and press Enter. In the Options dialog, go to the Selection tab, make sure Noun-Verb selection is enabled. This allows you to select objects first and then launch a command without losing your selection. If it's off, starting a command can unexpectedly clear what you've already picked. Also enable Shift Select for Add to Selection. With this turned on, holding Shift while clicking adds more objects to your existing selection, which can be especially handy when you're building a set across different areas of your drawing. Click OK to apply the changes. Now, test your workflow. Click one object, then another, and confirm they remain selected together. Try holding Shift and clicking additional items to see the add behavior in action. Remember, pressing Escape clears the current selection, so if everything suddenly deselects, that might be why. That's it. By setting PICKADD to 1 and verifying your selection tab options, noun-verb selection, and Shift Select for add to selection, you'll restore reliable multi-object selection. This small tweak saves time and keeps your editing flow uninterrupted.